Hello everyone and welcome to this Starling Bank review. Should you make the switch? Today we're diving into the world of digital banking with a close look at Starling Bank. In a crowded field of online options, does Starling truly shine? Is this the right choice to manage your hard-earned cash? We're going to break it all down for you so you can decide if it's time to make the switch. In this review, we'll be providing the details on features, their straightforward pricing, the pros and the cons, all you need to know so you can have some information to make an informed decision. We'd like to start with the features. Starling Bank offers a range of features focused on simplicity and control. So here are the features. You have mobile-first banking where you get to manage everything from your smartphone. You have real-time balance updates where you get to always know exactly how much you have. Spending insights. This is where you get to track where your money goes with helpful visualizations. Then you have saving goals. Saving goals is easy to set up and manage using saving pots. Then you have fee-free spending abroad. You can use your card abroad without charges. We love the instant payment notifications as you get alerts on every transaction. You also have the connected card feature. Now, the Starling Bank connected card is a feature that allows Starling Bank personal account holders to give a second debit card to someone they trust to spend money on their behalf. This is a great feature if you're a parent giving out your credit cards to your kids in order to use it under your watch. And now I would like to talk about the pricing. Starling Bank keeps it simple. Firstly, you have a free account. There are no monthly fees or charges for the core current account. You have free card delivery, where you can get your debit card for free. Then you have replacement card fee. Now, if you'd like to replace your card, you're going to need to spend £5 if you lose your card, or £10 if your card is stolen or lost overseas. But you also get one free replacement per year. Then the connected card feature comes at £2 per month for the connected card. When it comes to international transfers, Starling charges a 0.4% transfer fee. They also charge a delivery fee which varies depending on the method. Local network transfers from 0.30 to 0.90 depending on the currency. And the SWIFT transfers cost £5.50. Now, when it comes to ATM withdrawals abroad, Starling doesn't charge fees for using its debit cards abroad, but local ATM providers may have their own charges. And now to the pros and cons, starting with the pros. We love the bank because it's free to use, it has a user-friendly app, it is excellent in customer service, and a fee-free spending abroad. Then you also have useful budgeting tools. On the flip side, with the cons, there are no physical branches, the interest on savings is limited, and the connected card has a monthly fee. In conclusion, Starling Bank is a strong contender in the digital banking space. Its free account, user-friendly app, and focus on simplicity makes it an attractive option, especially for those comfortable with mobile banking. So what are your thoughts on Starling Bank? Do let us know if you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.